Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate a simple document from your Monday.com board data using the GetSign app on Monday.com. In this example, we are going to generate an invoice for clients. You can use this process to generate quotations, contracts, NDAs, and many more items. Let's see how it's done. So you have the app installed from the Monday.com marketplace, and you want to generate a document. You can see I have a board called Client Invoices. I have a client, and we have certain items like price, quantity, and cost. And we want to create an invoice which includes this board data. How do we do that? The way we can do that is by uploading a document and inserting these details into the document using the GetSign editor. You should install the GetSign item view from the Monday.com on the item you want to use the feature on. Once the app is added, go to the settings, and you'll see that we have several options here. The first option is Templates and Documents. I'll upload a template. This is the one we'll use to create the invoice. I've uploaded the invoice, which includes my brand logo. After that, I'll select the option called GetSign Generate. In this section, we have two key fields. One is the status column, which works as a trigger. So I'll select Invoice Status and set the trigger value to Ready. The document will be saved in the column called Generated Invoice, which I'll choose here. I want the document in docx format, not PDF. For the email settings, I've already configured and verified my email, so I don't need to do that again. I'll just click Save. Next, we go to the Edit section, where we configure how we want to insert values from the board. Click Edit Template, and we'll get options to customize the file. Here, I can map the board fields. For example, the item name will display the client's name. The date will appear here as well. You can map other board columns if needed. Then, we have to insert the sub-items table. We'll configure it to show item name, price, and other details in a table. We can add a summary section at the bottom to show tax and total costs. You can choose which columns to show and select the currency symbol. Now we click Save. We'll see a preview of the table. Use the preview to confirm everything looks right. You'll see item names, prices, totals, all populated from the board. Then click Save Template and exit the window. Now we're ready to generate the document and send it, based on the settings we've already configured. To generate the document, all we need to do is change the status of the item to Ready. The automation will begin. You'll see the document generation process start. Docx file will appear in the selected file column. You can see that our file is here with all the necessary details. You can print it, save it, or send it to your clients. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching.